making some banana muffins. I'm just mixing together some banana, sugar, oil, egg, some vanilla extract, and I'm going to make some banana muffins. I feel like this is a nice little treat. So I'm going to pop these in for 20 minutes at 375. They look so delicious. I'm so happy with them. I want to show you guys the inside before I eat them. Look at that. So delicious. I have been craving banana bread for so long, so I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna make banana muffins. So good. I'm giving myself a manicure because my nails need help. I'm using this Sally Hansen nail polish, and it's called Creme de la Creme. It's really cute. It's like a pastel blush, but it's more on the lighter side, so I like it. It's perfect for spring. So here's how the manicure looks. I love the color and the shape. I still have to clean around the edges a little bit, but so far it looks really good. So what
Did I ever tell you about the time I got stuck in a hat? I did? Well, it's a...
Hey, almost got it.
Stop letting go of R1.
It's not R1, it's X. I have to hold on to X. On here?
You hold on to R1.
Look what happens when I let go of X.
You gotta hold on to R1. Honey, hold the controller like this with your hands up here, your fingers up here, so you can easily like touch these.
One at a time, sir.
Honey.
My thing is, how do I go from climbing to jumping?
Honey, yeah, get it.
Oh!
Baby, you gotta try to get this
I'm sorry. I don't know what you're getting and what I'm getting. I gotta go all the way back. Yay! Oh! Okay, got it. Boom. Good job. Good morning. It is Saturday morning, so you know what that means. Pancakes and eggs, but today I'm going to be making some banana pancakes. I feel like this vlog has been very banana filled, but that's because I had a lot of ripe bananas that I want to get rid of. So I like my pancakes to be a little bit more crispy. So what I do is I basically put a ton of oil into the pot, and then I basically, like, it looks like it's a fried pancake instead of just like the fluffy pancake. I got this recipe from Mary J. It's not turning out as good as it usually does because of the banana. I think it made the pancake too mushy. So trying to do some damage control here. Hey, honey.
I'm gonna make the rest of the stuff.
It's already in the oven. Okay, so these didn't turn out the best because they're very, very soggy. I think it's because I put way too much banana. If you guys try this recipe with regular pancakes without putting bananas in it, I promise you it turns out so, so good. Okay, brunch is served, honey. Good morning, Mama.
What's up? Huh?
Hey.
How you doing?
What about me? What about Mama? You don't give morning kisses to Mama? I quickly want to share with you guys the coffee that I have been obsessed with. It's this one right here, and it's called Colombia from Nespresso. It is so delicious, you guys. It's the perfect strength and roast. I just love it so much. 1 or 2, and then mix it all up. It just smells so good. I'm ready to get my day started. So I'm about to make some breakfast, and I wanted to show you guys this cute little pan that I got off of Amazon. It is so tiny, guys. Like literally my hand, don't mind my manicure, my hand is so much bigger than it. And this is basically a 1 egg pan, so it's to make 1 egg. And we also got new pots and pans from Amazon, and can I just say that this right here, it's like so satisfying. Ooh, that sounds good. Yeah, such a nice thing. 2 work. I made a little bit of breakfast, just avocado toast with some fried egg on top. Still learning how to use a little pan. It's a little bit hard because it's small, but the egg still came out nice and crispy.